Hey guys, what's going on? Let's talk about expressway driving in the rain. Heavy downpour in the metro area. So I'm in the left lane. It is very slick out here, so I'm not trying to really be that hard on the throttle. So you want to maintain good pressure. You can see my foot down there. So I'm just taking my time and trying to be smooth as possible. We're about 65 miles an hour. Checking my mirrors. You always have to check your mirrors to know what's going on. You see brake lights, you have to slow down. And I'm not liking how this car is stopping because it's definitely hydroplaning and it's like skidding, then stopping, skidding. It's definitely scary. So you got to slow down. So I'm slowing down really easily. I'm at 40. And if I hit the brake too hard, I do have ABS, but I don't want to hit a wall or rear in the car. So weather like this dramatically slows down your arrival time. And now we're at 40 miles an hour. I'm taking my time. And I feel like this car has too much air pressure in the tires. So that will definitely make it ride really hard. So how will I handle this? I'm going slower. I did get gasoline, so I'm good there. I'm looking ahead at traffic, trying to see what's going on. I check my mirrors, and then I'm slowing down. Everyone's slowing down. There's nothing you can really do. Now we're at about 39 miles an hour. So I'm just trying to be patient, really not trying to get myself in trouble, and I mean by going too fast and then stopping too aggressively, because this is a prime surface for hydroplaning because the water is so heavy and the tires aren't gripping the surface properly. So I'm reading brake lights. Most people are definitely slowing down to about 40 miles an hour. So what lane is the best lane? It depends on what you want to do. See, there's the state police over there. So everyone's trying to be an angel. But you should be a good driver, an angel anyway. And we're elevated on the bridge. So in weather like this, you just take your time. No one can drive really fast. You pack your patience. You become that defensive driver. This car does have windshield wipers in the back. I know you can see them. And we're almost to a crawl. We're at about 25 miles an hour. Good wipers are imperative, so you can see. And every 6 months they should be replaced. The space in front of me is definitely opening up, but I don't want to speed up really fast because I'll slide. So I'm at about 60 miles an hour. The speed limit is 70. You can see that car cutting over. A lot of people don't use blinkers. You can see all the water kicking up on the tires. Also, I'm feeling what the tires are doing. The tires are kind of sliding a little bit. We're hydroplaning. So most people are at 60 miles an hour or 55. No one's at 70. No one is at 80 trying to crash. All the truck drivers stay to the right lane going back. I'm not trying to drive on the line, the warning line to the left. That is the yellow line. They're broken dash white lines, so we can change the lanes. Centrifugal force will pull me out to the right, so I don't want to be on the gas really hard. I'm trying to hold between 55 and 60 miles an hour. I'm looking ahead, 1001, 1002, 1003, about 6 car lengths. Not about, my following distance is about 6 seconds. And I feel this car sliding again. What does it feel like? It feels like you're just literally gonna lose your front. Whoa. So what I want to do, because I'm not feeling this, I'm gonna let some of the air out of these tires because it's definitely scaring me. So I will let you go. If this brought you value, give it a thumbs up, and then I'll report back. Bye.